A few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, I go what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. I'm gone for a year, only feel like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Hey fam, welcome back to a brand new video. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Londiwe and you are very much welcome. I hope you do stay and subscribe. If you've been here, thank you baby for coming back. I hope everyone is doing good. So guys, today it's a Friday afternoon and I'm currently parked at the dentist. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock and it's currently 2 o'clock. Yeah, I want to wash my teeth. It's my first time. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope this doctor is good because he was recommended to me. So yeah guys, I just wanted to let you know what is up. So yeah, let's go inside guys. Bye. Please don't forget to tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe. Okay guys, can you tell that I'm obsessed with my nails? Yeah, I like this sad shame. Anyway, bye guys, I will see you inside.
Another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time, cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. See the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Something like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I realize on the hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
you guys when I went to the dentist and I said I will give you guys a review. Well, I'm back to give you guys a review. Today's another day. So everything went well. The doctor was so gentle. I didn't feel any discomfort during the session, even after. So yeah, I highly recommend him. He's based in City Hospital, and I will write his name down below because I really can't pronounce his name. He's an Indian guy. So yeah, guys, and I feel like I have a brand new pair of teeth. I'm kidding you guys, but yeah. And also, when he was busy washing my teeth, he did a scan, and we realized that I have 8 teeth that need filling. They have a hole, so they need a filling. So I will do that next month, which is March. Then for wash, I will go back again after 6 months, probably August or September. So yeah, that's that, guys. So the reason I'm here right now is because I want to show you guys my new washing machine. I got a washing machine, guys, and if you know me, you know that I've been wanting a washing machine. So God did, I got a machine, guys. So I'm here to unbox it with you guys. It's a Hisense 9 kg. It was retailing for 8,000, but I got it for 6,000. It was on promotion. Let's unbox the machine.
You to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
Problematic. You know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always caught in your genetics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want that. Tell me to throw it back. That damn Yahoo made me for you.
So guys, here's my washing machine. I hope you guys can see. Here it is. I can't wait to use my machine. My washing machine, I can't wait. So guys, yeah, I'm done right now. So I'm going to the shops just to get sugar. I will see you when I come back. Yo, I'm tired. Yo, I love my machine. Can't wait.
This shit was all I knew. You and me only. I did it all for you. Still you were lonely. We could work it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
I was just waiting for you. Put the pussy away for you. Thinking I will wait for you. Damn right we take turns being wrong. I get real up on the boom. I'm alone. I get real about it all. And I'm alone.
how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all, and you just stuck standing there. But I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby.
I am back, you guys. I went to check us. I didn't get a lot of things. I got buns. I want to eat this with dunked wings. I got wings. I got sugar, bicarbonate of soda. I always want to buy this, but I always forget. So today I got it. Mostly I want to use it for cleaning and white stuff. Peanut butter. I was out of peanut butter. I'm glad I got it. Cheese. Polony. Cajun spice. Rice. I didn't get a lot of things, honestly. One thing about me, I don't do weekly grocery or monthly grocery. Any day, if I go to ShopRite or wherever, I just buy whatever I think I need. I don't just buy one item that I came for. No. Cremora. I also needed this because I want to drink coffee. It's so gloomy outside. It's drizzling. My fave rusk. And Oros. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. One thing about me, my grocery haul, it's not a haul, man. It's just a mini restock. They are boring because I buy basic boring stuff. So yeah, man. Anyway, guys, I will see you, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. Right now I'm going to take a bath. Then use the coffee and drink, relax. It's currently like 6 o'clock right now, so yeah, it's late. Me relaxing. I will see you guys whenever. I'm really not sure. Please don't forget to tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe. My energy. So let me go back. Bye, guys. Hello you guys. We at Vilagazi Street.
I hope we have check allow hello you guys.
Marasina line
Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Know that you are loved, even if you don't
you doing? Just giving it. What the hell? Girl, that a wham in a circle. Even if a little make you jump like a hurdle. Girl, that a wham in a circle. Even if a little make you jump like a hurdle. Girl, that a wham in a circle. Even if a little make you jump like a hurdle. Even that was small, still 30. Take me through that, take me through that. 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 What the hell? Girl, that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl, that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle. Girl, that a wham in a circle, even if a little make a jump like a hurdle.
Hey fam, it's the following morning. Yesterday I went out with Nomtebo. We went to Brown Sugar, Vilagazi Street in Soweto. We had a good time. That restaurant, it's beautiful, beautiful. Love it. It's not really a restaurant, but it's like a hangout spot. So yeah, it's beautiful and I think it's affordable. We had 2 glasses of margarita each. Then we had wine. Their margarita, baby, that margarita top 2 and not 2. Then sushi. One thing about me, I'm a fan of fried sushi. Then anything else besides fried sushi, no. But yesterday we had a tuna and fried shrimp tuna. It was just okay because I'm a fan of fried sushi. But yeah, we had sushi because we were from work, so we had lunch at work. So already we're suit, but we were like, let's get something yana. So that's how we got sushi. Yeah, the vibes were good. Tell me, Guti, why after 30 minutes after we got there, electricity gone? Yo, guys, I was bored because I really wanted to vlog, but I tried. Even because it was kind of gloomy. The weather was not good as well, but I tried getting footages for you guys. So yeah, but it's later on. One thing about the Kasi, he's in this so Giant Zega. And when I get back home, I wanted to take a bath. Amanzi, ageko. So yesterday, it's been 3 days, guys. Thursday, Friday, Saturday now, no water. Njani, Joangle. Oh, I'm bored, you guys. But yeah, yesterday we had a good time. Mfunugen's washing right now. I can't. And guys, tell me, why was I drunk yesterday? Because I didn't drink much. One thing about me, I'm so weak. Maybe it's because I haven't drank in a long time, maybe 2 years. But so I think it's high time I quit alcohol, because when I get home, I remember I call my man telling him, I feel like vomiting. And everything was spinning around, round and round. Hangover, yesterday. But yeah, guys, I'm just here to close off this vlog. Hope you guys will get to enjoy this video. Please tell your friends to tell their friends to subscribe. I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Love you loads. How do they do this side? Yeah.